Hello guys, how are you all? Good evening. This is your KP sir, Krishna Prakash. How is preparation going on? Is everything good? So, as I told you, we are continuing the best course, topic wise question solving session in environmental engineering, exclusively for SSC, JE, TSPSC, BPSC, State, AE, AEE, GATE 1 mark, and ESC theory questions. So this is helpful for those students who are preparing for State AE, AEE, exclusively for TSPSC, BPSC, SSC coming exam is there. So we are continuing this. Follow me on Unacademy platform, and you have a good news. Those who are following me on Unacademy special classes, now the limit for Unacademy special classes 1 hour is removed. You can watch any number of special classes. So you go to Unacademy app, search button KP Civil, NVLK Prakash. Put this search button KP Civil or NVLK Prakash. All my special classes will come. So you can watch it for free. You can watch the special classes of Unacademy for free, no problem. And those who want to take Unacademy subscription, use the code KP Civil and our Telegram channel. Please join our Telegram channel. KPSR students, whatever you require, you can get it. Notes, materials, previous year question, KPSR free class links, everything you can get it. So already we have done 30 best questions. Now final super 30 questions. Final super 30 questions, very important questions we are doing. And by this 60, part 1, part 2, total 60. Mostly that 60 questions only will cover quality of water. More than that, no question will come from outside. Tularemia. Tularemia disease is caused due to. It is called rabbit fever. Tularemia is a rabbit fever caused due to bacteria. It's a bacterial disease. Infected animal contact is done with human. Human suffering from tularemia. This is a bacterial disease. Standard EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraestic acid solution used to determine. So I think you know the method. Worsenate method or EDTA titration experiment for hardness. You know it now. Worsenate method or EDTA titration experiment for hardness. Hardness of water. Hardness. Where indicator is erythrome black tea. Indicator EBT. Erythrome black tea. Erythrome black tea. Titrant is EDTA. Indicator erythrome black tea. Titrant EDTA. So we are using to find out hardness of water using this. What we call complexometric titration. Because so many big complexes are formed with calcium, magnesium. So it is called complexometric titration, worsenate method or EDTA titration method. Turbidity is measured on. Turbidity of water measured on standard silica scale or standard Farmazin scale. If it is using turbidometer, light absorption phenomena, turbidometer, standard silica scale, light transmission or scattering phenomena, pharmazine, nephlometer. So what we have is, one minute guys. So what is the answer we are having? Standard silica scale. Then what is this? Cobalt scale, platinum cobalt scale, platinum scale. Cobalt scale, platinum cobalt scale, platinum scale, these are for color. For color measurement you are using sorry, excuse me. So for color measurement we are using standard cobalt scale, platinum cobalt scale for color measurement. Temporary hardness of water. You know this, hardness of water classified into two types. Hardness of water. Temporary hardness, which is called carbonate hardness. Permanent hardness, which is called non-carbonate hardness. CH, NCH. Temporary hardness, carbonate hardness. Permanent hardness, non-carbonate hardness. CH, NCH. When carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, that cause temporary hardness. Remaining all sulfates, chlorides, nitrates of calcium, magnesium, B, C, D, that cause non-carbonate hardness. All the three options given, B, C, D. B, C, D option. Sulfates of calcium, magnesium, chlorides of calcium, magnesium, nitrates of calcium, magnesium. That will cause permanent hardness, non-carbonate hardness. Blue baby disease, infant methemoglobinemia, caused due to excess nitrates. Nitrates greater than 45 ppm in water, that causes infant methemoglobinemia, blue baby disease. Two samples of water, A and B, with pH values 4.4 and 6.4 respectively. How many times more acidic sample A than B? You know sample A is acidic than B because of pH. pH is less, more acidic. pH is more alkaline. So pH of A 4.4, pH of B 6.4. Its hydrogen ion concentration 10 raised to minus 4.4, 10 raised to minus 6.4. So A and B, based on pH, their hydrogen ion concentrations we are taking. So now you are taking ratio of hydrogen ion concentration of A to the hydrogen ion concentration of B. 10 power minus 4.4 divided by 10 power minus 6.4, which is 100. So what you can write here? Hydrogen ion concentration of A is 100 times of hydrogen ion concentration of B. Hydrogen ion concentration of A is 100 times of hydrogen ion concentration of B, that is 100. Option C. Option C. Dechlorination of water is achieved by using sodium thiosulfate. Please understand, dechlorination sodium thiosulfate, sodium bisulfate, not bio. It is written bio, it is wrong, na bio wrong. Sodium thiosulfate, sodium bisulfate, activated carbon, charcoal, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. Understand? Dechlorination, I repeat, dechlorination, sodium thiosulfate, sodium bisulfate, activated carbon, charcoal, H2S hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide. These are responsible for dechlorination. Total hardness of water greater than total alkalinity. This is case A. Total hardness of water greater than total alkalinity. Carbonate hardness is a total alkalinity. Non-carbonate hardness is a total hardness minus total alkalinity. So, carbonate hardness, they are asking total hardness greater than total alkalinity. What is carbonate hardness? Carbonate hardness is total alkalinity. If reverse case, total hardness less than total alkalinity. Total hardness less than total alkalinity. Carbonate hardness is a total hardness. Non-carbonate hardness is 0. Reverse case. Total hardness less than total alkalinity or equal to total alkalinity. Carbonate hardness is total hardness. Non-carbonate hardness is 0. Activated carbon is the best adsorbent, the most efficient adsorbent for removal of odor and taste. You can remove color, odor, taste and turbidity using activated carbon. So from the given options we can take odor and taste. The strong adsorbent, attach the chemicals and remove it. Total hardness of water less than total alkalinity. I told already, written. What is needed? Non-carbonate hardness needed. Non-carbonate hardness is 0. NCH 0 because CH is TH. CH is TH. For diluting 25 ml of water sample, 175 ml of taste-free water required to added. To make water sample just to lose its taste. Flavor threshold number. FTN, flavor threshold number. A plus B by A, 25 plus 175 by 25. 25 plus 175 by 25. FTN, flavor threshold number. So what you are getting? 200 by 25. 8. Option C. Hardness is expressed in. Hardness expressed in milligram per liter as CaCO3. That is called total hardness na TH. Total hardness. Hardness expressed in mg per liter as CaCO3. Presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium magnesium. Already we given classification. Temporary hardness, permanent hardness, carbonate hardness, non-carbonate hardness. So chlorides and sulfates of calcium magnesium is present. That leads to permanent hardness, non-carbonate hardness. If it is carbonates and bicarbonates, that is temporary. It is chlorides and sulfates, it is permanent. Odor and taste controlled by. Odor and taste controlled by aeration. Do aeration. Dissolved gases which will cause the odor fly away. Dissolved chemicals like manganese, iron which cause the taste, they will removed, oxidized through aeration. So odor and taste controlled by aeration. Waterborne disease, malaria, mosquito bite, plague is caused due to animal bite, dysentery, yes, dysentery, Bacterial dysentery, amoeba dysentery, entamoeba dysentery, bacterial dysentery. Chalo. Turbidity of water is an indication of presence of dissolved solids, dissolved gases, floating solids. No turbidity. Suspended inorganic matter. That only will cause turbidity. Suspended solids and colloids will cause turbidity. In so many classes I told this. Suspended solids and colloids will cause turbidity. Blue baby disease may be caused in infants due to drinking water. Blue baby disease caused to infants due to drinking water. High concentration of nitrate. Nitrate in drinking water more than 45. That causes blue baby. Dental caries, a disease in drinking water caused due to fluoride. Desirable is 1 ppm. Desirable, compulsory, required, desirable. Fluoride less than 1 deficit. Fluoride less than 1 deficit or absence of fluoride. It leads to dental caries in children. So, deficit or absence of fluorine. So, permissible is 1.5, maximum permissible. 1 to 1.5 is acceptable. Acceptable. Greater than 1.5 hoga excess, fluorosis it will cause. pH value of potable water. pH value of potable water 6.5 to 8.5. So from the given option we'll choose 6 to 8. Value of dissolved solids permissible in potable water. So permissible in potable water 500 TDS. Permissible limit is 500. In absence of alternate source, maximum permissible limit in absence of alternate source 2000. So from the given option has to choose between the range 500 to 1500. We need to select between the range. They are not asking maximum, just permissible 500 to 1500. Hardness of water caused by sulfides, chlorides, carbonates, bicarbonates. No. Divalent metallic ions. What are divalent? Calcium, magnesium. These are only responsible. Divalent metallic ions, calcium and magnesium, responsible for hardness of water. Hardness of boiler feed water. Industrial water require very soft. It should not be more than 70. Hardness not greater than 70. Not greater than 70. Less than 70, okay. So from the given option nearby we can choose. Actually this is also not correct. But nearby from the given option you can choose. Color in water generally due to. Color in water suspended, dissolved, colloidal, none of the above. Iron will cause red color. Iron, red color. Manganese, brown color. So these are dissolved impurities only. Iron and manganese are dissolved impurities causing red and brown. So color will cause due to dissolved impurity. Safe water is which one of the following does not contain? Water is said to be safe if no pathogenic bacteria. Water does not carry pathogenic bacteria, it is safe. If water is containing turbidity, taste, color, these are physical impurity. Physical impurity does not cause any harmfulness. They are just objectionable. Physical impurities are just objectionable. They does not harm any to human life. Pathogenic bacteria, contaminants will cause a disease. Cholera, typhoid, polio, dysentery, diarrhea, which leads to death. Alkalinity of water develops due to presence of alkalinity. Silt is a physical impurity. Fluorides are sodium. No, fluorides are sodium. No, carbon dioxide cause acidity. It is responsible, carbon dioxide responsible for acidity. Who is causing? Bicarbonate. HCO3 minus calcium bicarbonate. HCO3 minus ion responsible alkalinity. Main cause of eutrophication of lakes is the enrichment of lake water with nutrients, organic nutrients. Day by day, organic matter, food rich nutrients deposited and causes eutrophication. When the mode of measurement of turbidity is absorption of light, not adsorption, absorption of light, measuring apparatus. If it is based on light absorption, turbidometer. The very important I would like to say here, light absorption phenomena. Light absorption phenomena, that we call turbidimeter. Turbidimeter. Light scattering, transmission, light transmission, scattering phenomena. Nephelometer. Nephelometer. If emitted light passes parallel to the incident light, turbidimeter. Light passes parallel. Light passes parallel to the incident light. Parallel to the incident light, turbidimeter. Light passes right angles, perpendicular, right angles to the incident light, nephelometer. So this is very important. Light passes right angles, nephelometer. Light passes parallel, turbidimeter. As per IS 10,500 1991, acceptable limit of calcium in standard drinking water, 75, no doubt. So this is permissible limit of calcium. The most favorite question of any state AEA, Xeldol nitrogen is a. Xeldol nitrogen is a combination of ammonia nitrogen and organic nitrogen. Free ammonia, the most famous free ammonia is called ammonia nitrogen, and that free ammonia combined with chemicals, organic chemicals forming organic nitrogen or albuminoid nitrogen. That combination is called Xeldol. So guys, we have done 2 sessions of quality of water. These sessions are more than enough. Most of the questions in any exam from quality of water for theory, 1 mark from these only. Please do well, study well, let's crack the job. And I am always with you. You can contact me anytime. I am ready to help the students. And our Telegram channel is KPSR Students. Please join the Telegram channel for all regular updates. Let's crack it, guys.